Serving Brampton and Mississauga, Janke Restoration completes all the jobs you don't have time to do. Offering reasonable prices, quality workmanship, and exceptional service, Janke Restoration specializes in interior and exterior painting, drywalling and repairs, stucco and ceiling repairs, taping and plastering, wallpaper removal, carpentry and framing, door installation and trim work, as well as complete basement renovations, fence and deck staining, as well as the installation of laminate and ceramic flooring, plumbing, and toilets. For all your handyman and renovation needs, call Janke Restoration. Your satisfaction is guaranteed.